Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a different kind of video. I wanted to show you my little tomato garden. Now there are two things I do in the morning to check on these tomatoes. One is looking for suckers, which is like extra growth on the tomato plants. And the other is looking for worms or caterpillars that are eating all the leaves and the tomato plant and trying to kill it. So usually I start from the bottom of the plant and move up and look for suckers. And here's one that I found. Now it's growth right in between a main stem and a leaf part that comes out of the tomato. So you can grab onto the little sucker really firmly and then you can usually pull them off. So I'm going to try to look for another sucker. And here's another one right here. Same thing. It's usually in between the main stem and a leaf node. So I would just grab it and pull on it. And it's really easy to take off. The main reason why I take these suckers or extra growth off these plants is to take away the energy from making more tomatoes. So here's one right here. They basically just divert the energy into making more leaves instead of putting the energy into creating more tomatoes and bigger tomatoes. The other thing I check for is worms or caterpillars. You can see that black little speck over there on that leaf. And usually that's a sign of a caterpillar or a worm. And here it is. He's hiding underneath a tomato leaf, and you can see the black speck or poop coming out of its back end. They're really hard to catch sometimes because they're green and really blends well with the leaves. So I'm going to grab it over here and pull it off and then show you guys a little bit closer look of what a worm or a caterpillar that usually likes to eat these tomato plants. Now if you don't catch them and take them off, they will eat all your leaves and even your tomatoes. So it will destroy your tomato plant if you aren't careful. So I found another caterpillar on the tomato plants. It's older and bigger than the other one that I showed you a while ago. As you can see, there's like a little thorn thing coming out of this back end, but it's not really a thorn. It's just to scare away like predators and things like that. But it has white stripes and it's bigger than the other one. These things can get really big. So remember to take them off if you can, whenever you find them. So that was the two things I usually check on my tomato plants besides watering them in the morning. And here are some grape tomatoes growing. This is what I'm looking for. So let me know below in the comments, what do you guys do to take care of your tomato plants? You have any tips and pointers? Just leave comments below.